My name is Trent Attia, and I'm the CEO and founder of Bookit Sports Inc. I identified the rapid growth of the sports betting industry, and there was a massive problem of just the lack of content consumption and community engagement on a simplified, centralized platform. And I just saw how rapidly growing this industry was and saw a need for a space for people to come together, share picks, content, information, analysis, all about sports betting. So when I was in college, I came up with the idea, pursued investors and fundraised, and finally got the app on the App Store last year. What I enjoy most about working with Chappell Digital is the ease of access. If I need something right then and there for an investor or for a deck of some sort with our metrics or a presentation, I can expect that within 30 minutes to an hour from one of the guys at Chappell Digital.
My expectation with Chappell Digital has been exceeded at every single level. Again, not only with the amount of work that they've done from us, from a digital marketing, again, they got our cost per user acquisition from $10 all the way down to $2. You compare that with any other social platform, within the span of time that we're working with them and the amount of money that we put in, it's absolutely deserved. But also how flexible of a staff they have. We ask a lot out of them and they always answer the bell. And obviously, as big of a platform that they are, to know that we're a startup and they put just as much care into us as all their other clients, my expectation for them has been exceeded.
I would highly recommend Chappell Digital to anybody who has a startup or a business looking to advertise and target audiences on social platforms. If you're looking for direct, immediate results on conversions, and if you're looking to scale and grow your business at a cost-efficient way, there's no one else I'd rather recommend you to than go to Chase Chappell and his team at Chappell Digital.